Hello and welcome again. Thanks for staying tuned. We are still solving questions on logarithmic expression. Now you remember I said that the more questions you solve, the better you are at the work. It's not only to say that, well, I know this, because if they twist the question, you may not know. But if you solve something related or that looks like, you'll be able to tell that, yes, I've seen this type before and I know what to do. Now, that's apart from knowing principles, knowing laws, and applying them. So, we're still going to do this, applying the principles and the laws. And of course, you're going to see that this is quite different from the ones we've been doing previously. Now, if you've not, please check the previous videos. Now, these ones are in fraction. Now, something that some students are afraid of is they love the thing to be straight. Everything is not always going to be straight jacket. Sometimes it will present in fraction or decimal fraction. Some students begin to fear, but there's no need to be afraid. Once you know principle, follow steps, you're going to get to the answer. Now let's go. Now what we have here, the log in base 9 of 5/7 plus 2 times, you can say log 7/6 minus log in base 9 of this. Now pardon, I was meant to put 9, they are all in the same base 9. Now what you do is, you can start from this place. Let's go. So you have it as log in base 9 of 5/7 plus this, by the rule, you have, if you have like 2 log, let's even see, this is a, let's see, f log c over d. The rule states that, or c, let's even say states c. The rule states that this is actually a power, an exponent. This is going to be log in base a of c in power. So this is the power. So this is going to be log 9, 7/6. This forms the power, the exponent, and then this two forms this power. 5/6. Now from here, what do we do? This means that this appears twice. We can decide to let it be for now and then follow the next rule. The next rule means that the product rule can go this way. Log A, let's say B, then times log AC. The law states that you can bring the two of them together. By the time, by the time you bring them together, it's no longer going to be a plus, it's going to be a multiplication sign. Like as you have it as log in base A of B times C, because you're not using one log sign, one logarithm sign to support both of them. This is going to be this multiplied by this. But when the log signs are attached to each one of them, it's going to be a plus. So by this rule, we'll bring this back. It's going to become, there's going to be log in base 9 of 5/7 times this. This is 7/6. Do not forget it's squared. And then this is, let's use this larger bracket this way. Now we'll leave this for some time and we'll come back to it. Now having this way, this one means this appeared twice, so we'll make it twice, right? There's going to be log in base 9 of 5/7 times. Now remember, if you have a raised to the power 2, what does it mean? A times a. So the same thing here. This square affects both this place and this, both the numerator and the denominator. So it means 7/6 times 7/6. So here, this 7 can cancel this 1. 5 times 7 is 35. And then 6 times 6 is 36. So 5 times 7 is 35. So what we have is log in base 9 of this. minus log 5 over 6. Now, we have a minus sign. The quotient rule states that when we bring have these two log, we're going to have it, by the time we bring the two log, this is going to become a division sign and no longer a subtraction sign like we have in the other one, where we had log a b times, plus log a of c. What we had was, when we had it as plus, it was log a of b times c. This time now, if we change it, this is actually a division sign. At this point now, it is actually in a plus sign. This is going to be in a division sign. B divided by C. So the same thing applies here. This is going to be divided by this. So this will form the numerator. This will be the denominator. It's going to be as log in base 9. Well, let me bring it up. See. It's going to be as log in base 9 of 35 over 36 divided by this, or divided by this 5 over 6. Now I'm using a single log for the both, so it's going to be a division sign. Now remember your rule in your elementary maths. When the division sign is going to change to a multiplication sign, something will happen to the one at the far right. It's going to flip, it's going to turn. So what you have as is going to be log of 9 of 35 over 36. This changing to times, this one will flip, it will become 6 over 5. So look no longer 5 over 6, but 6 over 5, because this is changed, right? So can anything go? Let's see how we'll do, how we'll go. So 5 can obviously go to this. 5 here 1, 5 here 7, right? And then 6 can go here. 6 here 1, 6 will go here 6 times. So what do we have? 7 times 1 is what? 7. 6 times 1 is actually 6. So by the time we apply the log, it's going to be log in base 9 of 7 all over 6. Now, in simplification, you can leave it this way, or you can put it as log in base 9 of what? 1 over 6. In this way, you leave the answer this way. Now, if you have a question you don't understand, or you have something to put in, you have something to chip in, please go ahead. I'd like you to like, comment, share. If you gain something, you gain value, something of value you can share, so that others also can learn. Thank you so much for staying tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you.